Hi guys, let's see. In this tutorial I will show you how to create this kind of mockup file for your design. So for that we have to do something different things, and let's see what we want first. So first you need to separate your designs file like this, the different screens what you have now. So after that, don't think about this is just a preview. uh, the important thing is your design should be inside one frame and one frame for others. So after that, you need first go to the plugin section in Figma, and you need to search mockup angle section. So angle mockup is the what we are going to use for the make mockups. So this is plugin, free plugin, you can use it. So when we search in mockup, and it will show us like this, and after we click we can run it, and there's a small message: please select a screen to apply the frame on. So that's mean what's that? So we need to download for the mockup for this file, and I will put it into comment section, and you can bring it in here. And so they have so many iPhone devices from for different angles. You can select one as you wish, what kind of angle and what kind of colors you want. So I will select this one, right click and copy, and I'm going to paste into my design file now. Okay, so it's not very big deal thing, so it's a simple thing. And now you can see there has one component as the 01 iPhone 11 Pro. So like there has some expand. When we expand this component, you can see this layer, screen layer. So we need to select that, and we need to run our plugin again. So now you can see this kind of window. So it's been perfectly, it's working. So now you can see in our plugin window, we can see our UI windows. You can select whatever you want to put into mockup file. That's mean our UI will be automatically replaced for the entire screen layer. So pixel density also you can change, and there has a small preview. So what happens when we apply that? Right, so this is our newly mockup image. So that's very easy guys. Let's see another component. So I will bring it here again. So now I will select the screen layer again. Very carefully, you need to double check when before you apply that. You need to select exactly screen layer, otherwise it will not work. So then again I need to run this my plugin. Yeah, next that time I will select sign up and apply. So very easy. See, it's very easy. You can rotate it something different angles. You voila. So you can take these screenshots as a jpg or png files and svg also. So this method is very efficient way for the create mockup file for your newly UIs. So guys, I hope you this tutorial will be help for your designs and save your time. So don't forget, comment what you want next, and what is your opinion and what's your idea. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's see what we can do next. Okay guys, bye, see you.